I'm going to reference the connectors from the original Nakamichi power socket. As this one, you have to find the pink, this one right there, B plus. So it is number 3 from the black wire, 1, 2 and 3. So if you look at the cable, it says back. Okay, back. Then we are going into the head unit with the plug and play socket. So we count it from the black wire, 1, 2, 3. So it is the brown wire that we have to take. So luckily this one, it is also labeled back like so. So we are going to tap this wire for the power source of the camera. Good. And now we are going to take out the socket F, which is this one, and we're going to installing it to this connection at the back of the head unit, which is right here. So I remove this panel right here and feed through the cables through here underneath the glove box, like so. Goes into the head unit. And so the hardest part of this installation will be routing the actual cables through the back from here up through this hole right there, through this flexible rubber, and go into this hole right here, and I've routed right here through the back. So this is the cables that we have to route through here, and then this yellow RCA, there's a power wire that you have to tap into the reverse bulb, the positive side, and connect it via this adapter that is included within the kit, so we can plug it into this camera power outlet to power up the camera while reversing. Okay. Alright, so this is the final look of the back of the head unit. So the yellow RCA connects to the rear camera AHD, and the red power source is connected to the back labeled brown cable from the power harness right here. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, and that is all for today's video. I hope you find this video useful. And please, if you guys are in the market to purchase or to upgrade your head unit plus the reverse camera, make sure to check Nakamichi out. I'm sure they have an array models for any type of car. Alrighty, so I will see you again on the next video. Peace.